Welcome to this beginner's tutorial on creating Android projects in Android Studio. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process of setting up your first Android project step by step. First things first, let's download and install Android Studio. You can download the latest version of Android Studio from the official website at TUPS Developer. Android Studio. Once you have installed Android Studio, you can launch it and create a new project by going to File, New Project. In the New Project dialog, you can choose the type of project you want to create. If you're just getting started with Android development, it's best to choose the Empty Activity option, as it provides a basic project structure to start with. You can give your project a name, select the project location, and choose the language you want to use for development. After you click on the Finish button, Android Studio will create a new project for you with the necessary directory structure and files. You can then open the main activity file to start editing your app's code. To run your app, you can either use the virtual device provided by Android Studio or connect a physical device to your computer. You can select the device you want to run your app on by clicking on the Run button in the toolbar and choosing the device from the drop-down menu. That's it. You have successfully created your first Android project in Android Studio. You can now start adding new features and functionality to your app by writing code and building upon what you've learned here. Thanks for watching and happy coding!